and gentlemen, Bados DJ in town from SB official DJ Iman.
As boy, pẹ̀lú one day go.
Yes, sir.
Hip hop. 10 seconds I do pass. Waiting be your compass. Fly you around the world. Maldives, Santorini. Why you find Versace? I love you, you're my G. Even if now I'm granted, I go still love you, my one day. Follow bomba to bomba. I go be your defender. When I lose my breath, baby, would you be my healer? Too many things I don't realize. When I'm with you, I dey fantasize. Would you be my only lover? When I'm with you, I'm alive. Me, I don't mind like Babu. But you still love me like this, oh. Even if not taboo, you can still want me my boo. Oh, my Cinderella, Jojo Baro, I be your umbrella. Hippa, hip. Yes. Hippa.
I love language na money. She likes different currency. Me I get her man, I go dash. I know say you need am pass. I want fly you go Mexico. I want buy you yan shanties. I want do big things for you. I want do many things for you. Follow bumper to bumper, and I go be your defender. I don't want travel, baby. Me and you go Barcelona. Just like this. Me I no find like baboon.
But you still love me like this, oh.
Even if not taboo.
On lockdown. Well, here's the DJ that has the jams on lock.
Kofari na gani kika ce mini baki ne daidai ne ko mafarki nake aka ce bani baki ƙarya ne sirrukan zuciya ta kin san da komai ki ji shi ne kullum ne ina yi miki waƙin abu daya so ne kin batar min da jina har magani na da me za su ce mini ke ci a gabana wadan kina sakala ƙwayoyin idona a jikin littafin kaddara ta da ke zan yi rayuwa.
So
fi shaida rayuwa na bada na aminta ku yada mai ki idan sai kauda
ban dauka ba kar in shiga damuwa in ba kai ba ina fada ruwa saka a raina tamkar zanen zabuwa ba mutum da shi ko kai yogowa ana ta kawo suka ne ke faruwa maimakon ka rage kullum sai karuwa
na samu yarinya kyakkyawa kun ganta san kowa ta sani ni jin daɗi in ta fito kowa na rigidigun kallon ta yi ta rawa jikinsu suna kauɗi
oyoyoyo na samu
Spyro, now only me one life. See, I see day like this sunrise. I will never leave your side. I will never, never go.